Alright, this is an introduction to the entry for the group build that MuttModler is putting together. He wanted anything that was an armored vehicle. I don't know if this is so much armored, but it kind of fits in that category. I saw this at the hobby shop one day. They had it half price. I always like these Russian style vehicles, and I really never see them in the hobby shops around where I am. And I didn't really care that it was much to do with Saddam Hussein and all that. But besides that, I figured it might be a cool model to build and put it in this group build and share it with you. So I opened it up, took all the plastic bags out, so that way you don't have to hear me rummaging through those to open it. Feel like a kid eating potato chips. So to save you that noise, this is what's inside the box. I've never built anything from that brand. If you guys have and had good experience, let me know. Kind of interested. The side's got all different languages. I'm thinking it's a Japanese kit. Like I said, I don't know too much about it. These are the other versions. The other kits that kind of go with it. It's on the side of the box. That's the one I've got. But yeah, I've always liked that Russian style vehicle. I thought that was a kind of an interesting design they did. So, minus the wrapping, this is how it looked like when I opened it up for the first time. I'd never seen a kit maker put a nice little insert like that. The water slides. They only give you the option to do the one that's on the box. You'd think that they would give you a water slide with multiple options in it to do all the ones on the side of the box, but they didn't. These tires. And surprisingly, they're not bad tires. They kind of look like what they would be for some kind of toy. Might be a good idea to make a mold and cast that. I'm trying to learn how to do all that stuff, so that might be a good tire to try that on. Do a nice mud bogger. I was quite surprised the body actually comes in one piece, but I'll get to that. So this is the wheels, the rims. Yep, there we go. The brakes, the wheel backs, maybe a combination of both. Got surprised. This body is all one piece. When I saw the box, I figured, oh, I'll be gluing a lot of these pieces together, but it's all one molded piece. Not a whole lot of gluing on there. Oh, there's the bottom. The clear glass, all just one piece. You gotta cut all the pieces out of that. Kind of like your train hobby models. You got the big bracket to hold the missile. And more pieces of that. Even comes with 3 figures. do like a little diorama maybe. Some suspension parts, bunch of handles and some ladders, some more suspension, some axles, probably the rear, front axles on there, then the big payload missile. So it also came with some tubing, because they got some hoses that go in the back, all metal axles. I do not know what that piece is yet, but it's a flexible tube of some sort. And the instructions. Actually quite a few pages. Very detailed. Total 17 steps. The last thing is a catalog. Trying to get you interested in buying some. Now I see these quite a few on the Facebook auction sites. They usually go pretty high. This one might be pretty cool if you get all that interior. Then you build all them trailers and then you can buy the tow vehicle. Nice color images on that. So I might look into that, see if I can find any more. Like I said, I never see these in the hobby shops that I go to. So that is my pick for the group build for that Jeff started. I don't think there's a start date or an end date. It's just do it to get over the hump of not wanting to do any cars. I guess everybody's kind of venturing outward with airplanes and armored vehicles, and really nothing wrong with that. Actually increases your skills on all the others, and so hopefully other people will join, and I look forward to seeing everybody's build. Alright, talk to you guys later.